Welcome to Rica Subtest 1 online test preparation course presented by ricatest.com. Remember that structural analysis is used when students decode a word using their knowledge of the root word in combination with the word's affix. Remember, affix means prefix or suffix. Like with teaching phonics, when providing direct teaching of structural analysis, you can choose between using the whole to part or part to whole approach. First, let's look at an example using the whole to part instructional strategy. Here, the teacher will choose the target prefix, suffix, or root word to focus on and provide a few example sentences containing the target language. Let's look at an example. Billy was disrespectful to the substitute teacher. Uh-oh. When Billy's teacher came back, she felt disappointed. Hmm. Now, the class will have to discontinue extra playtime. Okay, so here are the sentences because we're starting with the whole to part. Now, once the teacher has read each sentence to the students, it's time for the teacher to now reread each sentence and underline the target words as the teacher reads. So here we have disrespectful, disappointed, and discontinue. Now the teacher will focus and circle on the common element that is found within each word. All words that begin with the prefix dis. The teacher now works with the students to decode the target words and understand the prefix. In this example, what dis means. If the students are unsure, the teacher directly and explicitly tells them the meaning. Next, the teacher and students make a list of other example words that share the same common element. For example, disapprove, dissatisfaction, disbelief. Now let's have a look using the part to whole instructional strategy. When teaching structural analysis using the part to whole approach, the teacher displays the affix that's being taught. For example, we'll use the prefix dis. Then the teacher directly tells the students what this prefix means. In this case, we would say that the prefix dis means not or the opposite of. Then the teacher creates a word web by eliciting dis words that the students already know. If they don't know any, you as the teacher will simply tell them examples. In this case, we have dissatisfaction, disapprove, and disbelief. Now the teacher and students work together to use the target words to try and create sentences. The teacher writes these sentences on the board, and the students write the same sentences in their writer's journals. Billy was disrespectful to the substitute teacher. When Billy's teacher came back, she felt disappointed. Now, the class will have to discontinue extra playtime. Feeling nervous about taking your Rica test? Click the link in the description below, get full access to this Rica test prep course, and start feeling prepared for test day.